bad, but yeah.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
No. I ain't blade. No, we can't hate. All they wanna hate.
G37 barely just got it. Barely. You almost had that. I thought you was so hold that. Niggas pull me over as soon as they see me sometimes.
Out here, gang, man. Teamwork make the dream work, motherfuckers. Be serious for life. Be serious. That solenoid is touchy. Oh my god. Niggas done spoke but didn't really check.
Yo, today's date, Saturday, May 9th. Let me just, May 9th, Saturday. Boy, it's no.
Where the fuck is this thing? Yo, I'm here really trying to fit shit in and like, it don't work.
Yep.
There we go.
Yo, that's
You can swap it though. I know someone that's swap it.
He's got the squad out here.
It's true. Oh, sex, bro. I'm missing my set. Y'all, it's Gino. It's good. Out here making good progress on Kareem's car. Switched the intercooler piping. Put this one on. That fits up nice and good. But however, we have a problem with this side. This side. Hold on. Let me turn off the music. This side. There's a little issue. The bend is a little too much here. It's too in. It's got the bend has to open up here. Maybe I can bend it myself or something. But this shit, that's some pretty thick piping. I don't know if I'll be able to bend it, but I'm gonna try to bend it out. If I bend it out, I'll be able to get this thing to sit pretty flush. The radiator will come up a lot. Because right now it's sort of on the tilt. It's because this is like that. I can't, this is like this. I can't bring this up anymore. Alright, y'all. It's good. Got cream on the hold up. Got cream on the FaceTime, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I have my old tune uploaded over here. What I gotta do, because it's 93 in here, originally my fuel trim was at 45%. So what I gotta do, I gotta pull like maybe 30% fuel out. I'll just pull for now. So I already did it. So now I'm at the TPS. I'm just gonna re-register my TPS. So set the max and min and just double check, make sure the max and min is good. So 0 TPS, 100, boom, valid. All right, that's about it really. Everything stayed the same. We're gonna upload it one more time. I see she fires up, y'all. Woo! First try, bruh. First try. Didn't even do nothing. 99 psi. That's mad oil pressure. Holy shit. It's running a little rich. That's alright. Cold start. Damn, bro. It's just looking official in here, my nigga.
Yo, oh, word.
Okay.
It's all about, yeah, making a man, it's all about cheese. Okay. Making a Benz, it's all about cheesecake. Whip up a pen, so ride like I'm Green Day. Come fuck your bitch, well, I'll make her knee shake. Get to the cash, I dance like I speed race. Whip up a pen, so ride like I'm Green Day. Turn to the cash, I dance like I speed race. Come fuck your bitch, well, I'll make her knee shake. I'm making a Benz, it's all about cheesecake. Making a Benz, it's all about cheesecake. Whip up a pen, so ride like I'm Green Day. Come fuck your bitch, well, I'll make her knee shake. Get to the cash, I dance like I speed race. It's all about cheesecake. Yo, I done did routes for the chips. Yo, I done did I'm serving the rock and I'm dodging the cops. That's that, cause you know they wanna perk with a gun. See you in the spot and you ain't gotta walk while you out here looking like you working for gum. Everybody know I got the work, keep it on. Cause city heap of poking that buzz get you stung. The buzz in the street, I heard you leading them drums. See me don't speak, cause you need my gun. Niggas go loud, I say how it was so loud. It's all about cheesecake.